guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I'm Caitlin, and today I'm going to do my take on the TikTok Tortilla Challenge. I am not on TikTok because of the sad fact that I am old and in my 30s, but I do want to take in this fun challenge of making things in this cool way to twist and turn your tortilla. So today we are going to make a Philly cheesesteak tortilla that we're going to roll all up and put on our panini press, and it's going to be amazing. So we're going to start by cutting a slit into a large tortilla like this. I just use my regular old kitchen scissors, just cut it right down the center to about the center of the tortilla. You don't want to cut the whole way, just like that. The main thing about wrapping your tortilla this way is that you want to have 4 fun ingredients. You could probably add more than 1 to each spot, but I kind of think it's best if you have 4 ingredients to place around your tortilla. So this is a weird ingredient for a Philly cheesesteak tortilla, but trust me, it takes this over the top. We're going to put the tiniest bit of cream cheese on our first flap here. You're not going to go all the way to the end, but just a tiny bit of cream cheese. Now, if you want to sprinkle anything onto your cream cheese, like a little bit of garlic or a paprika, or if you have a mesquite sauce, or pretty much anything that you can do here, just put a little bit right on top of your cream cheese. So I just have a regular old like mesquite rub here that I'm gonna just kind of sprinkle on each side into the cream cheese. After that, we're gonna place out some really thinly sliced meat. So if you could get a sliced ribeye, or if you want a sliced London broil, any thinly sliced meat would work for this. And this side of the tortilla is where you're gonna wanna put any ingredient like this, because that way when you fold it, it stays nice and tight in your pocket. On this side here, we're gonna add a little bit of caramelized white onion. It's just an onion that I fried up normal in a pan. Nothing too crazy, nothing too special, just a little bit of olive oil, and just lay it out. And then our final ingredient, some provolone cheese. So I just kind of break mine up and put it in there to fit that third triangle. If you want to substitute for Swiss here, that also goes great with this recipe. And there you have it. You have your cream cheese, your meat, your caramelized onion, and your provolone cheese. Now, the reason why we put our cream cheese here is because we're going to take it like this and stick it right down over our meat. That kind of makes a nice sticky thing to start off of our rolling. Then we're going to flip it like this onto our onion, and again, over onto our cheese. Our cheese kind of acts as what holds this all together, because when we put it on our panini press, it's gonna melt and it's gonna be delicious. We're gonna place them onto our panini maker a little hard from behind, and then just cook them up until your cheese is melted. And after that time on the press, you have yourself a nice, flat, delicious Philly cheesesteak tortilla that is perfect to eat. You guys are gonna love it. I can't even wait to say bye. It's so good. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'm going because I'm going to go eat this. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.